this is hail. That's not gravel, that's hail lying in the driveway.
But it's on a commercial. Oh my God.
That's hail.
It's thick.